In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in into YouTube using Gmail. First, a quick heads up before we begin. YouTube uses your Google account for sign in, and your Gmail address is simply the email tied to that Google account. So if you already use Gmail, you're all set. You don't need to create anything new, just use your existing Google credentials. Start by opening YouTube in your web browser at youtube.com, or launch the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. On the website, look to the top right corner and select Sign In. In the app, you'll usually see a sign-in prompt on the home screen or by tapping the profile icon in the top right. If your browser or device already recognizes one or more Google accounts, you'll see them listed. Choose the account connected to your Gmail. If you don't see it, select Use Another Account. When the sign-in page appears, type your Gmail address carefully and select Next. Then enter your password and select Next again. If you have two-step verification turned on, follow the extra prompt to confirm it's really you. This might be a notification on your phone, a code from your Authenticator app, or a verification code sent to a trusted method. Complete that step, and in a moment you'll be signed in. You can confirm you're signed in by checking the profile icon in the top right. It should show your Google profile photo or your initial. Tap or click it to see the account details and make sure you're on the right account. If you use more than one Google account, you can switch by selecting your profile icon and choosing Switch Account or Add Account. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option on the sign-in page and follow the prompts to recover access securely. Avoid entering your details on unfamiliar sites, and don't share passwords or verification codes with anyone. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't work as expected. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and try updating the YouTube app if you're on mobile. If you're on a shared or public device, consider using a private browsing window, and remember to sign out when you're done by opening your profile menu and selecting Sign Out. That's all there is to it. Open YouTube, choose Sign In, select or enter your Gmail, confirm your password and any verification, and you're ready to like videos, subscribe to channels, and keep your watch history sync across devices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on YouTube.